Okay, good morning, good afternoon, whenever you're viewing this. I hope you guys all had a wonderful 3-day weekend. I know I did. In today's assignment, you're going to be working on your keyboarding skills. And this is something you will practice throughout the year. And so there's a few things that you're going to do. If I go to the overview and attendance, make sure you put in your attendance day, and then here are the things you're going to do. You're going to watch a very short video on keyboarding why learn, keyboarding ergonomics, and then you're going to take a 5-minute typing test. And just do the best you can. Don't worry about it. This is just the beginning of the year. This is our basis. By the end of the year, everybody is going to be expected to do 40 words a minute with 95% accuracy. To do this, you're going to have to log into your Google account, and then you're going to go to typing.com, and I will show you that in a few minutes. After all of that, you're going to log into learning.com through your Rapid Identity, and you're going to practice in learning.com for a little while. And in learning.com, it will be a running typing practice, and so you can continuously go back there and jump on and practice anytime you want. So here's a short 2-minute video on why it's important to learn how to keyboard properly. Here's another little video, very short video that shows you how to keyboard type properly. And here's your typing.com. So once you get here, I'm going to go ahead and do another video to show you how to get into typing.com. But for now, I'm just going to take you to the next page. And here in this one, you'll actually log into learning.com. In the past, you guys have just been able to click on the embedded link. The embedded link doesn't work anymore, and so you're going to have to go into Rapid Identity and literally log into learning.com and get on that way. But I'm going to show you that video when you get to this part of your assignment. Okay, good luck today. Let me know if you have any questions.